excited. Like, I've seen these guys before. Phenomenal show, phenomenal. Like, you won't believe your eyes. It's just, oh. Like, you ready?
Do we really have to go? What do you think? Why are we going so early? It's just 7.
You gotta get there on time. It's traffic, you know?
Drive carefully, seriously.
Oh shit!